Imagine it's a regular evening at home. You're about to watch a show, someone's making dinner, and your phone is charging. Then, suddenly, everything stops. The lights go out, the TV shuts off, the fridge hum disappears. That's a blackout. A blackout happens when the electricity in an area stops working. It could be just your street or your whole neighborhood. Sometimes it lasts for just a few seconds. Other times, it can go on for hours or even days. There are a lot of reasons blackouts happen. A strong storm might knock down power lines. Ice or snow might freeze important equipment. Too many people using electricity at once can also overload the system. Even a squirrel chewing wires has caused blackouts before. When a blackout hits, life changes fast. No lights means it's harder to see. No fridge means your food could spoil. If your water comes from a pump, the taps might stop working. Wi-Fi disappears. Phone batteries slowly die. And without heat or air conditioning, homes can get uncomfortable really fast, especially in winter or summer. But blackouts aren't all bad. In fact, some people find them kind of exciting. When there's no technology to distract you, families often talk more, play board games, or tell stories by flashlight or candlelight. It can feel like an adventure, at least for a little while. Still, long blackouts can be stressful. Hospitals need backup power. People who rely on electric medical devices can be in danger. That's why it's important to be prepared with flashlights, extra batteries, and maybe even a backup charger. Blackouts remind us of something important: how much we depend on electricity every day. It powers almost everything in our lives, from big machines to tiny screens. Now it's time to tell your story. Here's your writing challenge. You're going to write a recount about a time the power went out. It can be a real blackout you remember, or a made-up one. Start your paragraph by setting the scene. Where were you? What were you doing? Describe what happened when the lights went out. Explain how you and the people around you reacted. What stopped working? What did you do next? Try to include how you felt during the blackout. End your paragraph by telling how things returned to normal, or what you learned. A good recount tells what happened, in order, and makes the reader feel like they were there.